Here we are back in the workshop, and this is me going to give my Marklin that I got from Moose a wee shot just before I strip it down and do the cleaning. It needs quite a bit of work, this one, because the paint job it's been on it is really terrible. You'll see if I just zoom in there's no sight glass either. I have to work on that as well. One or two odds and ends need done in this one to make it look presentable, but I thought I would try it and just see if it goes without too much problems. There she goes, running fine. Couple of little leaks just up there, but these are easily attended to. No problems there at all. Now I just wondered if I hooked her up to my little Velasco plate there, if it would drive it okay, and there she goes, no problem at all. Driving the tools, no problem. So there we are, folks. Marklin driving the Velasco workshop.